This is where recycled paper begins. Send this batch to the factory.
Recycling plants collect tons of waste paper daily.
Next stop, the paper factory. Gate's clear, bringing her in. Back it up to the dock. Perfect, right there. Up and clear, come forward. Steady toward intake, lower now. Ready for shredding.
The recycling process begins with shredding.
Now the fibers move to pulping. Adding water to create pulp.
Water and agitation break paper into reusable fibers.
Pump is stable, pressure holding at 65. Flow is consistent, proceeding to filtration. Removing impurities. Fiber density is holding at 1.25. Perfect. Now the real paper forming begins.
Inside this facility, waste paper becomes soft tissue products.
Let's see how pulp becomes paper. The paper machine runs non-stop.
This is where paper begins to form.
Pressing removes most of the water. Next, we remove remaining impurities. Refining makes the fibers softer. Water ratio and fiber consistency are balanced.
Bleaching improves brightness and hygiene.
The pulp is now clean and ready for paper formation. Here, the pulp spreads into a paper sheet.
The gallium systems remove most remaining moisture.
This dryer removes the remaining moisture.
Crepping creates softness and flexibility.
Now the tissue is ready for converting. Now the tissue is ready for converting. This roll will become hundreds of toilet rolls. The pattern is appearing clearly now, adding softness, grip, and strength.
Layering improves comfort and durability.
These lines create the tear points. Only perfect rolls move forward. Automation keeps the flow fast and precise. This protects the rolls during transport. Sealing confirmed. Proceed to palletizing. Now they're ready for shipping. Pallet secured, moving in. Forklift approaching, clear path. First pallet in, clear the way. Second one coming, watch your spacing. Close it up, we're clear. Safe travels, see you across the country.
And this is how modern factories produce soft toilet paper from waste paper to finished rolls.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.